everyone, it's me. I'm just making a quick video to show you all my monster truck flags that I have. I have a couple new ones and that I just got, and I have a couple old ones. So I have Blacksmith, and these are from the Flag Series trucks. You get them with the trucks when you buy them. Monster Mutt. This is Monster Mutt, the original. I also have Monster Mutt, the Dalmatian, and I'll get to that. Donkey Kong. And I'm hanging these all on my wall when I get done. Scarlet Bandit. Yeah, they're stuck together. Taz. He's one of my favorite ones. Bounty Hunter. Predator. He's a cool one that I just like some of the designs on these flags because it's like, how do people come up with these things? Dragon's Breath. This is my fiance's favorite, one of my fiance's favorite ones. He just likes the pattern and stuff, and the dragon, obviously. The dragon's pretty cool. And the Destroyer. That's kind of a boring flag, but so is the truck, so whatever. Nitro Circus. That one's pretty cool. Got a little bomb thing. Spike Unleashed is what it says down there. It says Spike Unleashed. Oh, they're stuck together. Stone Crusher. I got that one. Brutus. Utter Madness. That one's a cool one. Yes, that one. That car does have a cow on it. Gravedigger. These two are my new ones that I just got today. Pillage Idiot. And Arachnophobia. And I think I now have 20 of them. I'm not for sure. Yep, 20 of them with my two new ones that I just got today. So again, I'll make an uploaded version of my trucks. And comment, rate, subscribe, and I also do Pokemon videos too, so watch for that too. Bye.